Yo, welcome back. On today's video, we're gonna be working on the Ram. Let me show you what we're about to get into. So this is what it currently looks like right now. I believe on the last video, I think it was the grill, but you guys did see that we had changed the headlights. Looks pretty good. I like it and everything, but the DRL's strips, they stopped working, and they work sometimes. So we're gonna change that today. So we're gonna do a little unboxing. I already had to open up the box to make sure that everything you need is in here and everything looks good. Nothing was damaged during shipping or anything like that. I did try to get the same headlights back because I actually like that style, but they were not available. So I ended up going with something that very similar, but a little different at the same time. So we went with these. So let me make it to where y'all can see. Take this. One-handed unboxing, not that good. So it's essentially the same headlight, but it has the projector style on the top instead of just a regular bulb, and it does not have the orange or the amber on the corner. So yeah, so we're gonna swap them out, and hopefully this one lasts longer than that one. So let's get to it. So here's a better look at what the new headlight looks like compared to, think of the sun, you can't really see, but there's no projector in that one, and that's what this one looks like. So alright, let's get to it this time. Alright, so we got our first headlight out. So just in case you're doing the same thing as me, I'm just gonna walk you real quick on what it is. So I just took the shield cover off, the grill off, which the grill is just 4 bolts on the top, and it just snaps out along with the clips on the bottom from here and there. And then the light has a screw there, another one there, and then there's a clip that goes there, but that's attached to the shield. And back here I just exposed the cover because in the back there is this right here that your headlight goes in there, so you would pull it down to lock it. So it was down, so you push it up to unlock it to release the headlight. So same thing on the other side, but I'm gonna take that one off real quick and then put them both in and then see what it does, see what it looks like. But I'll probably put this one first, compare, and then swap out that one. Alright, so I got this side installed. You can't even really tell the projector's in there, so it kind of still looks the same. And then let's pick this one up and do a side by side. Boy, one above the other. So the only difference, projector and the amber. So yeah, truck is gonna look pretty much the same, but let's make sure that everything works, at least on this side, and see if that side somehow turns on its own this time. was kind of in a rush when I did all this, so I really didn't record anything. Let's turn off the lights. Keep it on auto. So I don't think I showed y'all this on the last video. I installed the new radio. And then we also installed a couple of subwoofers back here. And I'm probably gonna try to tune it today too. I didn't put all the screws in there to hold it down. There's probably like 4 in there, so you can kind of hear it. Some air coming out through the sides. Plus, I don't know if this is the best box. It's almost like a plastic kind of box. So if I find a better one, I'll probably swap it out. Like I said, I was in a rush, so it's not the cleanest setup, but the amp is underneath here. And that's probably where it shows the most of the wire, just jumping from there over to underneath here and coming out through there. But besides that, you don't see wires anywhere else. But yeah, so with some CT Sounds 12s. It's pretty decent. I don't think it's as loud as I thought it would be, but I might have to upgrade the amp also because it's just the Scar, I think 1200. But the screen's pretty decent. Yeah, so it's got CarPlay and all that stuff with it, and yeah, it's pretty cool. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show y'all. I'll catch y'all on the next one. Safe.